You mustn't eat any more of that. If you eat too much, you'll know too much. Too much.
Throwing flashbang.
We followed her trail.
But we'll keep going. We must keep on searching. Yes, I know. If we find her at all, it'll be a miracle. We searched everywhere.
Flashbang out.
There you
See that chap over there? He'll take your hand off my
Plums and apples and peaches and bananas.
Buffalo? Is this Crocodile Creek?
Fire in the hole.
Not.
If you eat too much, you'll know too much. Too much? Oh, indeed, yes. And it will make you miserable.
I want you to be miserable.